Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Vertex MrRoy. Today we are doing coordinate geometry exercise 7.6 question number 3 onward. We have this question, a line joining these two coordinates A to B is perpendicular to the line joining C to B. Find the value of A. Okay, let's see first of all a line joining A to B is We can have like we can suppose a line is there. We can draw a line. And because we do not require to draw the exact coordinates, so this is a comma 3. When we have a shape like the position, then it's very simple to find the coordinates like B. Okay, A, B is perpendicular to the line joining C to B. C to B means we have to do like this. This is like this. I can draw just like this. And is 90 degree like C, and this angle is 90 degree. It's given here perpendicular. The perpendicular means the 90 degree between 2 points. So this coordinate C and C is 10 comma 1. We cannot draw the exact graph, please remember. So it means the gradient, this is M1 and this is M2, because these two lines are perpendicular. So what's the condition of perpendicular? The M1 multiplied by M2 is equals to -1. Very simple. So gradient of M1 is like we can find by using the formula of the gradient y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So -3 we can write -3 divided by 2 and a. 2 minus a is like multiplied by now gradient of M2. M2 we can use 1 minus 3 will become minus is plus 3. Then we can write 10 minus 2 is equals to -1. Now we can find the value. It's coming -6 divided by 2 minus a multiplied by 4 divided by 8 is equals to -1. We can cancel 4 times 1, 4 times 2 and 2 times 1 and 2 times 3. So finally we have -3 altogether. And nothing is there, and 2 minus 8 is equals to -1. This minus and minus cancel out. We have only, like we can do the cross multiplication. So 3 is equals to 2 minus a, and a when we shift to the left hand side is positive, and 2 minus 3 is a equals to -1, and we have done it. Let me check the answer of this part. Question number 3 -1, we are right. Yes. Moving to question number 4. 3 points have the coordinate this and this, okay, and calculate the value of this, okay. In this diagram is given here 90 degrees, so we have to draw actually what we can just this is not the point, so we can write a B is 90 degree because it's given this is A and this is C, because B is at the middle, so whatever is at the middle is 90 degree. So if is then we have to find the value of t. Okay, A is 1 2, B is 90, and C is 6 comma t. Okay, it means the gradient of M1 and M2. What we write? M1 multiplied by M2 is equals to -1. M1 we can write 2 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 0, 1 minus 9 multiplied by M2 we can use t minus 0, and we can write 6 minus 9 equals to -1, and we can get the answer 2 upon -8 multiplied by t upon this is -3 is equals to -1. 2 times 1, 2 times 4 cancel out. This minus is plus. This is t upon 12 equals to -1, and t is coming -12. We have done it. Let me check the answer. Yeah, t is -12 is right. Second part, AC is perpendicular to BC. AC is perpendicular. Okay, it means like AC is perpendicular to BC means this is the condition now, because C is here 90 degree and the perpendicular means this is the situation. So A is 1, 2, C is 6 comma T, and B is, this is A, and B is 9 comma 0. So again we have to use the same condition. There is no we can write M1 multiplied by M2 is equals to minus 1. This is M1 and this is M2. So T minus 2 divided by 6 minus 1, then multiply by this one. T minus 0 you can write, and then 6 minus 9 equals to minus 1. Let me simplify it fast. Let T minus 2 divided by 5 multiplied by T upon minus 3 is equals to minus 1. 5 times 3 is 15, minus minus plus. So T, we can multiply with those, like T square minus 2T is equals to 15. T square minus 2T minus 15 is equal to 0. Make the factors, minus you get 2 and multiply to get 15 is 5 and 3, I think so. Minus 5T plus 3T. When you take common in 2 is coming T minus 5 plus 3 common T minus 5 equal to 0. So finally we can write T minus 5 and T plus 3 equal to 0. So T is coming 5 and T is coming minus 3. So we have done it. Let me check the answer of this part. This is 3 minus 3 and 5. Minus 3 and 5. Wonderful, we have done it. In question number 5, find the equation of the straight line passing through this and perpendicular to this line. Okay, when I think so, this will be like A is a point. This is 4, 5. And this point is like perpendicular to this line. And this line is x plus 2y is minus 4 is equal to 0. So perpendicular means this is 90-degree, and these two lines intersect at point F. This point is point F, the intersection. This point is A perpendicular. So normally what we know, this M and this M2. So gradient, actually what we need here, we need the like point of intersection. So we need the equation of this line. This is the target this is our target, to find the equation of this line. If we know the equation of this line, this equation and this equation, we can use simultaneous to find the coordinates of F. So M1 and M2, we need to find the equation of this lines. For this, we need M2. And M1 from this equation, we can find by making Y as a subject, like Y is equals to Mx plus C. So let's see 2y, x and right hand side is equals to minus x and plus 4. And y is coming minus x plus 4 upon 2. So y is equals to minus 1 upon 2x and plus 4 upon 2. So gradient is coming minus 1 upon 2. If the gradient is minus 1 upon 2, the gradient of M2 will be definitely like minus 1 upon 2 gradient is there. So when we make reciprocal and change the sign, is coming only 2. So the gradient is coming 2. So A is having the coordinates 4, 5 and the gradient is 2. So equation of this line is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. So y minus 5 is equals to one coordinate in the gradient 2 x minus 4, and when we arrange like y minus 5 is equals to 2x minus times 8. So y minus 2x, and when we write equal to, or is no problem, we can move 8 in left hand side, is coming plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And this is equation number 1. So when we use both the equation, when I copy this equation with this, like using simultaneous equation, this is x plus 2y. Can we write like 2y or something, is up to you, 2y plus x minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now, If you want to use elimination method, what you can do, you can multiply this equation by 1 and this equation by 2. What will happen? Let's see. This equation will become, when we multiply with 1, it will remain same, y minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. This is called the elimination method for simultaneous equation. This will become 2 times 2 is 4y and minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0, and 2x will be cancelled out when we add. It's coming 5y and is coming minus 5 equal to 0, and y is coming 5 upon 5 is 1, and then 1 we can substitute in equation number 1 or 2. Then we can have 2 times 1 plus x minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 4, this is 2 equal to 0. This is minus 2, so x is coming 2. So 2 comma 1 is your result. We can check the answer. The answer of this part is coming 2 comma 1. This we have done. Question number 6, the line y is equals to ax plus b is perpendicular to the line this. So it means like we can draw like this, perpendicular, 90 degree. This is line 1 and this is line 2. So yes, and passes through the point 1 minus 2. The line 1 is passing through the point 1 minus 2. Okay, find the value of a and b. Let's see, first of all, we should know the gradient of this line m1 and m2 is equals to m1 multiplied by m2 equals to minus 1. So, from the first equation, when you observe here y equals to ax plus b, the gradient is a, which is m1. And when you observe the second equation, y minus 3x is equals to 4, you can observe y is equals to 3x plus 4, in which the gradient is 3. And we know the gradient condition is what? Not equal, because these two lines are not parallel. So m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. So this is a times 3 is equals to minus 1. So a will be equals to minus 1 upon 3. That's the value of a. Now we need to find the value of b. As we know, this equation now will become y is equals to a will become like minus 1 upon 3 x plus b is passing through point 1 minus 2. Whenever any equation is passing through a particular point, just put the value of x and y is minus 2 and x is 1. Now you can find the value of b, like minus 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 3 plus b. Please, 3 will not multiply, the whole value will shift in like left hand side, minus 2 and plus 1 upon 3. Normally, the Add.Math students can use calculators, so there is no problem. So when you write, this is 1, LCM is coming like 6. 3 is LCM, this is 6 means minus 5 upon 3. I think so, and we have done it. A is, let me check the answer. A is minus 1 upon 3 and B is minus 5 upon 3. I think so, we have done it right. Absolutely. In question number 7, 3 points A, B, and C are given. So F is the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC. Okay, it means we have to do like this. We have to draw a line, perpendicular line, and this is 90 degree. This point is A. This point is F, because F is the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC, and this is B, and this is C. A's coordinates are 3, 6, B 2 minus 1, C 6, 7, and like F we can suppose AB, because we need to find AB's coordinates. Now, what we have to do here, this is perpendicular, this is M1. And now BF and FC are like parallel, and parallel gradient is always equal, but I have to use a trick here. What is the gradient of BC? I just want to find the gradient of BC first. Gradient of BC will be same as the gradient of BF, or the gradient of FC is like always same because it's on the parallel line, like collinear points. So we can write 7 plus 1 divided by 6 minus 2, that's coming 8 upon 4 means 2. It means the gradient of this complete line is 2. Okay, let's see what we can do now. First condition we can apply the gradient like m1 multiply by this gradient. I can suppose this is m2. m2 is equals to minus 1. m1 we can write AF gradient. So b minus 6 divided by a minus 3 multiplied by m2 is 2 equals to minus 1. When we shift in right hand side, it's coming b minus 6 divided by a minus 3 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. And when we do the cross multiplication, it's coming 2b minus 12 is equals to minus a and plus 3. When we arrange, it's coming a plus 2b is equals to 15. This is equation number 1. Okay, equation 1 is there. Now we need next equation, and next equation we can find from, I think so, we can get from this, yes, the gradient of BF, because we have to take a known value. The gradient of BF is equal to gradient of BC. We can write, because BC gradient is 2, so I have to use this actually. B minus BF, B minus 1 is plus 1 divided by A minus 2 equals to 2, and B plus 1 is equals to 2A and minus 4. And we can do one thing, I can take the value of A from here, 15 minus 2B, and put in this equation, I think so. B plus 1 is equals to 2 times 15 minus 2B and minus 4. I think so we can find the value of B from here. 30 minus 4B minus 4. And when we simplify, it's coming here 5B is equals to 30 and minus 4 is 36, minus 1 is, no, 26 and is 25, and B is coming 5. We did first part, and this value I can put in this equation. So A is equals to 15 minus 2 times 5 is coming 10 minus like 15 is coming also 5. So coordinates of F are 5, 5. We have done it. Hence or otherwise, find the perpendicular distance. Okay, distance means when you know the coordinates, like F is now 5, 5. Distance formula you can apply. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Put the value and get the answer. I think so there is no problem in this part. Question number 7. So we have done. Oh, sorry. Question number 8. 3 coordinates are given, and 3 coordinates are A, B, and C. The foot of the perpendicular from A to BC is midpoint of BC. This is little bit changed. You can see in this diagram, I did not make the question this like here. I did not make this as the midpoint. Like this is bigger and this is smaller. But in this part, the question is same, but we have the midpoint now. So what we can do, we can draw the same diagram, but what the midpoint means, these two distance is same here. So this is A, this is B, and this is C, and the foot of the perpendicular from A to BC is the midpoint of BC. Okay, this is the midpoint. I can write here M. Calculate the possible values of K, and K A is 6, 6, B is minus 3, 3, and 9K. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Even sometimes we write here y, we write here x. When we write x, y is a midpoint. Okay. So first thing, I think so. From 9, for x is equals to 9 minus 3 divided by 2. You can find the value of this coordinate. I think so there is no problem. 6 upon 2 x is coming 3. And if you want to find the value of y, you cannot get the value of y because k is also unknown. K plus 3 divided by 2. So I think so we should know the value of y to get the value of k. So to find the value of y, what we need? We can do one thing. We can have also m1 and m2. From m1 and m2, you can find the value of y. So gradient m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. M1 is y minus 6 divided by this m1, 3 minus 6 multiplied by m2. We can take this one because if when we take k, that will become that we will have two unknown values. So this y is better, y minus 3. You can take also this one, but I think this will become very lengthy. And y3, y minus 3 and 3 minus 3 will become 3 plus 3 is equals to minus 1. Actually, we will have two equations of y actually here because the quadratic minus 1, this is coming 6 and this is coming minus 3. So 18 is plus 18 actually. Y square minus 3y minus 6y and is coming plus 18. So now we have 18 can cancel, there is no problem. Now we have y square and this is minus 9y equal to 0. Y is common. Y is coming 0 and y is coming 9. This 0 we can put here. 0 is equals to k plus 3 upon 2. 2 will become like this is 0. K is equals to minus 3. The first value is minus 3. Second value will be, again I will put the same value here, 9. 9 is equals to k plus 3 upon 2. And this is 18. And k is coming 15. So we got two values, 15 and minus 3. Let me check the answer. Yes, 15 and minus 3, we are absolutely right. We have done it right. By this way, we have done till question number 8. I hope that this video is useful for you. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.